Game changers. The impact of video games in society. How? Did we get here? Once considered a niche pastime, or worse, mindless entertainment for children, video games are now considered to be a cultural phenomenon that has transformed the world as we know it. But from something like this to this. How did we get here? Before we can answer this question, a quick heads up. This video, in its original form, is one of Right Styler's free, interactive videos, full of questions on the subject of nouns, that students can answer while they watch the video. The link to the interactive versions of this video are in the description below, or you can continue to watch this version if you'd prefer to just kick back and relax. Okay, back to the show. To understand the impact of video games, we must first journey back to their humble beginnings. Classic games such as Pac-Man in the 1970s and Super Mario Bros. In the 1980s lay the foundation for a new era of entertainment and excitement, the birth of gaming and of the video games industry. From the rise and fall and rise again of video games, we find ourselves in what many consider to be the golden age of gaming, rivaling the excitement and joy of the video games boom in the 1980s. The video games industry is also big business, really big business. As an example of this, the movies and music industries combined together fall way short of the industry size of video games. Video games have become more than something you just do in your spare time, greater than their levels, mysteries and bad guys. They have now transcended entertainment and become a way of life for many. They're in movies, music, sport, and even education. I mean, think about what you're doing right now. So, how did we actually get here? How did we get to a place where Mario and Sonic are more recognizable than our political leaders? To a space where a class of students playing video games in school is not abnormal, but encouraged. And to a vision of an enormous crowd of fans supporting not their favorite team, but their favorite gamers. Well, because games are pretty awesome. They captivate, and inspire, and educate. They mean so much to so many and have now become truly ubiquitous. So, to put it simply, game on. This video was proudly brought to you by Right Styler. Made for schools. And built by teachers. Finally, it's writing made fun.